Hi guys, welcome back Rana Sam YouTube channel. So today we are going to talk about another topic on my YouTube channel, and to be honest, this is another very vital topic on my YouTube channel. If you want to come in digital marketing sector, and before the starting this video, I hope you are doing very well in your life and your in your professional life, and please stay safe because that's when the situation as recently situation changing gradually. So please stay safe yourself. And if you want to come in digital marketing sector, and you don't have any idea how you can start your digital marketing journey as a scratch, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. I have uploaded around 43 video on my YouTube channel. And if and you don't know how you can start your journey as a fresher, yeah, as a beginner, so please watch my video step by step. And I have told in this video, I had told around everything in that video. So please watch every video step by step. And if you have any kind of question, so please put the question in comment box honestly, and I will make the video. And before the starting this video before the starting discuss on today question, I hope you are and you are that next year will be starting will very soon. We have almost 15 days has been have been completed in this month. So I am hoping you are doing very well in upcoming and in future. So let's start today question. If I talk about the today question, the future of digital marketing in 2023. So this is a today question. So we are talking about step by step around 6 point. And I have made sure my video actually my video was going too long. So that's why I have to think about, I have to reduce my timing on the behalf my video, and on the behalf my knowledge what I am spreading to everyone. So let's start. So before the starting to the question, we have to talk about the basic understanding of digital marketing. So digital marketing is a kind of way where we can connect our audience by the help of internet. So this is a basic definition of digital marketing. If you want to know more about about digital marketing, so please watch my digital marketing basic video. This is a that that is a that is a introduction video, and you have to watch if you want to know more about the digital marketing. If I talk about the why you choose digital marketing as a career in 2020, honestly, because I have lots of reason why you will select digital marketing as a proper career in 2023. So to be honest, because I am also working in digital marketing since last year, so I have lots of idea which field best for you, and which field not best for you. And but you cannot depend on myself. You have to depend on your understanding, your knowledge, and your hard working. So let's to be honest, this because digital marketing is a kind of way. Right now digital marketing moving up because we are every business want to make that their impact on the social platform. So that's why the digital marketing booming up. And we have already I have already told lots of time that door to door marketing almost has been closed right now. So you cannot depend you could not depend more thing about the digital door to door marketing. So that's why you have to you should pick the digital marketing as a proper career in 2020, but you have to do lots of hard work. And if I talk about the second point, the second point, the top three digital marketing institute in Delhi NCR. If you are living in Delhi NCR, and you have the pretty confused which institute best for you, so I will tell you the top three best digital marketing institute, because I have already done digital marketing certificate from Pitampura. So that's why I had an idea. I have an idea. So honestly, that if I talk about the my list, so my first one is skill circle. Skill Circle is one of the biggest, best digital marketing institute. This is not a paid video. I am giving my honest review. So if you have the budget, so you should opt Skill Circle, because they are providing lots of infrastructure, and if you want to make yourself in digital marketing sector, so this is one of the greatest platform institute right now in Delhi NCR. So but if I talk about the fees structure, they have the uh, load around the 60,000 fees structure if I'm comparing different institute. But if they are providing the quality, so they want to take the quantity. So that's why I'm suggesting you, if you have the good budget, so you should opt Skill Circle. If I talk about that second one, the second one is Digital Perform. I have also done my digital marketing certificate in that institute. If I'm saying, I will make the specific video on this specific topic, what I have done in my digital marketing certificate. And if you want to make the video on on this specific topic, so please subscribe my YouTube channel. So second one is DG Perform. If I talk about the DG Perform, the DG Perform is the greatest digital marketing institute in India, because they connect with ST Media, Hindustan Times, and they also provide lots of infrastructure. So if you don't and if you are pretty confused which institute best for you, so I will suggest you that Digi Perform is one of the best digital marketing institute in Delhi NCR. But if I'm telling you the I'm giving the suggestion, but you have to do lots of hard work. You cannot depend on institute placement assistance, because you know very well, if you have done graduation, yeah, you want to come in, you want to do graduation, so you know very well. If I talk about the third one, DIDM, Digital Institute, Delhi Institute Digital Marketing. Actually, before the starting my journey, I have also took the admission in the IDM. But unfortunately, I could not connect much more, just because I rejected, just because they are they were not providing for me LMS, because I don't know what is the LMS when I was looking the Digital Marketing Institute. But one of my friends told me, if you are looking digital marketing course, so you have to look beyond the LMS. This is a LMS is a learning management platform, where every institute providing the job availability and certification, your task, your information, your profile, everything. So this is that LMS. So this is my journey, but I will discuss everything what I have done my journey when I was looking Digital Marketing Institute in Delhi NCR. Because I recently told you I have done my digital marketing course in Delhi, and around in that course, my course was around 6 months, 6 month long. So I will discuss is one specific video honestly. If I talk about why digital marketing, why you should select the digital marketing as a proper career. Honestly, this is my experience, my understanding. But you have at the end of the point, I have to say, you have to do hard work, because if you are depending on my point, you are not doing hard work. So honestly, you are doing lots of wrong in your life, honestly. So first of all, the first thing in digital marketing, learning scope. If I talk about the learning scope in digital marketing, honestly, we have the lots of stuff. If you want to come digital marketing sector, you don't have learning skills, you are not you are not familiar with your learning skills, honestly, you can switch another sector, because the digital marketing is a kind of ocean, with there are Google AdSense, anything in any time. So that's why you have to improve yourself every day by day, every month. You cannot depend always on the one thing. If you are doing SEO, so you have to change your field, you have to learn another things. If you are depending on only one skills, honestly your salary one time stuck will be stuck, honestly. So that's why you have to learn and you have to improve yourself every day. If I talk about the second point, why you select digital marketing as a career, the digital marketing stay long, honestly. If you are thinking that digital marketing going down, yet it going to die, honestly, this is a not a right thing. If I talk about the job availability in digital marketing, they will be increased around 26% in 2025, honestly. And if I talk about the growth rate in 2025 and 24, that will be going beyond the sky. 26% growth rate will be increased every year. But I recently told you, you have to improve yourself every day, every day, every month. You have to learning skills. That four point you have to keep in your mind. My next point is, or the digital marketing provide the offer many domain. If you want to come digital marketing sector, so you can select anyone: SEO, Google ads, social media marketing, content marketing, mobile marketing, affiliate marketing, performance marketing, programmatic advertiser. So that actually, but that will be getting the value when you have the lots of experience in digital marketing sector. So I will clear one doubt in this video. If you are thinking that digital marketing going to down, no, this is not the right thing. You have to think about yourself and you have to improve yourself. That if someone saying that digital marketing going to down, so this is a not a right. But you have to believe in yourself. If I am below, if I am connecting in this sector, I am giving the example. If I'm connecting in this sector, I'm giving my 100% every day. If the digital marketing going down or not, it will be depend the situation. It will be depend the year by year. But I am giving my 100%. After that, this year, I have to say I have given my 100%. Unfortunately, I don't give a proper response. So that will be happen everyone. So but you have to giving yourself, your body language, your mindset, your learning ability, your connection with your senior, that things you have to keep in your mind. So if I talk about the availability in 2024, so that will be going beyond the sky, honestly. I have recently saw one thing on in LinkedIn, and recently I read one article. So in that article, I have seen around 2024 that job availability in digital marketing going beyond the sky. But if I talk about the company structure, that company looking the valuable employee. So if you have value, so you can come in digital marketing sector. So that's all in this video. So if you have any issue regarding this video, please put their issue in the comment box. And if you want to make the video on their specific question, so please put their question in the comment box. And please like and subscribe this video. And if you want to make the video on a specific series, so please like FAQ, yeah, any specific course, so please put their course, yeah, specific series in the comment box. So that's all in this video. Bye bye, take care.